Have you been writing for a while now? Blogs, newsletters, or even Instagram captions that feel like essays? Here's the good news. You're probably sitting on the first draft of your book. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can turn your online content into a professionally published book. Start by gathering all your online work. You can use tools like Notion, Google Docs, or even a spreadsheet. Group your online work into potential themes and chapters. This helps you identify gaps and see how your ideas connect. Now it's time to turn your content into a draft. Read through all your content and identify gaps so that it flows in a cohesive manner. Remove social media references and calls to actions that don't make sense in print. And also tweak for consistency and ensure there are proper transitions between each chapter. Once your manuscript is assembled, start editing for grammar, flow, and structure. You can either edit your manuscript yourself or work with a professional editor. Next, it's time to choose a publishing platform. Since you're publishing your online content, it's best to self-publish because then you can retain your publishing rights, earn majority of the royalties, and take full control of your publishing journey. If you're working under a tight budget, you can also use budget-friendly publishing tools like the Notion Press publishing platform that lets you upload your manuscript, design your book cover and interior, and publish all by yourself in just a few steps. You're already a writer and you have the words. Now it's time to turn it into a book. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!